Class 9th question 1. What does Janaki's maritime express mean? Janaki took part in the relay swim instead of solo attempt. Solo attempt चाहूला कि relay swim रे से भाग नेला in the English Channel. She was one among the 6 swimmers. Out of 6 swimmers, Janaki was one in the relay team who was handicapped. Other swimmers in the team mostly Americans. They were amazed to see that Janaki could swim as a handicapped. Therefore, they named the relay team Janaki's Maritime Express only to honor them. Okay, Janaki took part in the relay team instead of solo attempt relay swim. Okay, Janaki took part in the relay swim instead of solo attempt in the English Channel. There were 6 swimmers. Out of them, Janaki was handicapped, and in that team, other than Janaki were mostly American. They got amazed. They amazed to see that Janaki could swim as a physically handicapped. So, to honor Janaki, they named their relay team Janaki's Maritime Express. Next, question 2. How did Janaki's parents feel when she was swimming the English Channel? When Janaki was making her relay attempt, her parents, Mr. Nagpa and Mrs. Indirama, were watching her daughter swimming on the Dover beach. They were wondering how things would turn out. Situation changes आसुचे से गुड़ी को देखुचन से माने they could not eat a single morsel of food किसी खाद्य मध्य खाई नथिले as their daughter was doing such a dangerous work, such an adventurous work. They looked worried until the end of the event. Until the पर्यंत तार इवेंट सरी नहीं से पर्यंत से watch करुतले Mr. Nagpa and Mrs. Indirama. At last they were very happy to see their daughter victorious. Last को ସେମାନେ ତାଙ୍କ ଝିଅ victory ମାନେ ଜିତିବାର ଦେଖିଥିଲେ. Next, question 3. How was Janaki's dream of swimming the English Channel fulfilled? Janaki wanted to prove that to be handicapped is no bar to success. Handicapped होगा सफलता में प्रतिबंधक नहीं. So she conveyed her idea of the swimming to the English Channel Swimming Association. She had faced lots of hardships to fulfill despite some problems. ये प्रॉब्लम गुड़ी को हवा फेस करिया परिवर्तन मध्य she successfully completed her stage of relay swim. She swam for 2 hours and helped the relay team cross the 36-kilometer channel in 14 hours. 36 kilometers channel in 14 hours in 45 minutes. This is how her dreams of swimming the English Channel was fulfilled. Okay, Janaki wanted to prove handicapped होगा सफलता पे गोटे बार नुहे प्रतिबंधक नुहे. So she convey means जनइबा. ये आइडिया का जनइला स्विमिंग इंग्लिश चैनल स्विमिंग एसोसिएशन. तबरे से Janaki had faced lots of hardships to fulfill this achievement. Despite some problems, she successfully completed the stage. She swam for 2 hours and helped the relay team cross 36 kilometers channel in 14 hours 45 minutes. In this way, it was fulfilled. Why were the officials of English Channel Swimming Association shocked? कहीं shock जाइतिले? Janaki reached in England in the middle of 1992. She reached Dover Beach and began practicing in the English Channel. The Channel Swimming Association officials were quite shocked. Why? To see it that because they saw that a physically handicapped person was trying to swim the English Channel for the first time of their career. इतने से शौक जाते कैरियर भितर एमती फिजिकली हैंडिकैप्ड पर्सन गोटे इंग्लिश चैनल स्विम कर से मैंने देखी नथिले. नेक्स्ट, हाउ डिड जानकी कलेक्ट मनी शी नीडेड फॉर द अटेम्प्ट? Throughout many hardships, Janaki fulfilled the two conditions to swim across the English Channel. After that, she was permitted to make an attempt. तापर से एट फर्स्ट स्टेप अटेम्प्ट नेले. She needed some money for the trip as she was financially weak. अच्छी एते बड़ डिजायर. So a big desire to swim across the English Channel. So she started collecting money from different sources. SOURCE, different sources such as the government, few private agencies, several friends contributed the money she needed for the attempt. Government, few private agencies, several friends contributed the money she needed for the attempt. Why was it decided that Janaki would be a part of a relay team? Janaki was trained under a famous channel coach, Stella Streeter. Stella Streeter, about 3 weeks. After that, she was expressed her desire before the channel authority. Express को बुझे desire to swim across the English Channel. She noticed, but they toned it down and said that they did not have special boat to accompany her. Special boat किसी नथिला. They did not have special boat to accompany her. Instead, it was decided that she would be a part of a relative. Reason होची गोटे कौन से बोटर प्रोविजन नथिबा जो स्पेशल बोटर प्रोविजन नथिला सहित पठाइबा सो दैट रिले स्विम में से सिलेक्टेड हेले. Where did Janaki begin her training? How it was complete? Look, when two conditions were given to Janaki by the English Channel authority, she decided to make an attempt. से दीटा condition को fulfill से कला. She went to Bangalore and began her training very hard in order to fulfill the two conditions. She was trained under NIS coach, National Institute of Sports, NIS में कोडे Mr. Gopal. After almost 4 years of hard training, कब करे NIS coach Mr. Gopal को द्वारा, she was able to spend 10 hours at a stretch in the swimming pool. Then she got certified from Mr. Gopal. Okay.